नमस्कार के साथ में बहुत सारा स्वागत है आपका इन अ ब्रांड न्यू सीरीज वेयर आई विल बी जॉइंड बाय नितिन जी. Nitin ji, welcome. Namaste.
Namaskar, sir.
Every day we are going to be talking about something which is relevant to make that day the best in our lives, and we are also being supported by ideas from the book 7 Days in Summit. Monday is dedicated to peace. Talk to me about how important it is to be with peace with oneself.
I think if there is one thing that defines love, if there is one thing that defines pleasure together, that is peace. So you cannot be without peace if you are in love, or you cannot be without pleasure, the true pleasure, without peace. So peace is the essence of every good virtue that we relish.
So while we pray for peace for each one of you, for us, for the whole world, here is a mantra for Monday from the book Om Nisha Karaya Vidmahe Sudha Hastaya Dhimahi Tannash Chandrah Prachodayat.
Yeah.
And Nitinji, I'll read the first para on peace by Swamiji. Be always cool like the moon, whether you are waxing or waning. You are full and beautiful. Remember,
Wow.
beauty and bliss belong to your soul nature. Let it shine through your mind. How do you respond to these
Beautiful.
lines?
That's beautiful. Lines of wisdom, no doubt. And when he says, talks about moon, so beautiful to connect moon and peace. Because moon, when it is at its best, can fill you with peace. And moon has all those shapes, the decreasing moon and the increasing moon. So is the emotion in a human mind. So all we need to do is we need to master all those emotions to live with peace. So I really like this his idea to connect it with moon.
And also, he says whether you are waxing or waning, so moon also has its
Yeah,
kalaएं. It increases and
yeah,
decreases, and but
true,
you are
true.
full and beautiful. So in spite of
Oh,
how externally or on a temporary basis you come across, but there is innate beauty that is a part of who you are. And then I'll also read the second para, which says, Moon and mind are intrinsically connected by nature, and this day is special for the celebration of your mind. Apply it to give joy and peace to as many people as you can. You'll get them back in abundance. Nitinji, this has been your main focus, I think. I'll read one line again and seek your insight on it. Apply it to give joy and peace to as many people as you can. How important it is.
it is. First, I would like to draw your attention towards how beautifully he connected Monday with peace. Because now it is one established fact that Monday is a day when people find it more difficult to be at peace because they have to go back to work. So, if you can find peace in giving others peace and pleasure, if you can make wherever you are, if you can make that surrounding more peaceful, if you can be more giving, then Monday can become magic Monday. And the peace and the pleasure, they can coexist together.
Let peace and pleasure coexist, and let us not forget that we are full and beautiful.
Beautiful.
And on that beautiful note, as we conclude, any additional thought related to Monday magic that you may want to share?
The most important thing is that when you reach a Monday, you have to start it with all the best vigor in you. And how to do that? If you can dedicate your Monday in making others' life beautiful, as Swamiji said, I think Monday should be the day that is dedicated. Okay, let me see how many smiles I can add to the world. And for sure, as he says, it all will come back to you. And Monday can become Magic Monday. It doesn't have to be a Manic Monday.
Beautiful. So, Nitin, you smile and let let us smile a little bit more than what we generally do, and see how many smiles come back to us. So we are counting on you. Keep smiling. Bye.
Cheers.